Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure materials list tracking with Houzz Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure materials list tracking with Houzz Pro, begin by logging into your Houzz Pro account. Once logged in, navigate to the project dashboard. Select the project for which you want to track materials. In the project overview, look for the Materials tab and click on it. You will see an option to add new materials. Click on Add Material to start entering information. Fill in the required fields, including the material name and description. Next, specify the quantity needed for the project. If applicable, enter the unit price for each material. This allows for tracking total costs associated with the materials. Optionally, you can upload images or documents related to the material for reference. Once all information is entered, save the details by clicking the Save button. Repeat the process to add additional materials as needed. To view your materials list, return to the Materials tab within the project. Here, you will see a summary of all materials added, along with their quantities and costs. You can also edit or delete material entries from this list if necessary. For better organization, use the sorting and filtering options available. This will help you quickly find specific items or categories. Make sure to regularly update the materials list as the project progresses. This ensures you always have an accurate overview of materials needed. Finally, consider integrating the materials list with your project timeline. This will enhance efficiency and streamline the overall project management process. With these steps, you will effectively configure materials list tracking in Houzz Pro. You are now better equipped to manage your project materials efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.